I wonder what lives here.
I can see frogs, birds, and bugs.
I wonder what's living down inside the pond.
Let's take a look under the water and find out.
Wow, I've never seen the bottom of a pond before. There's so many amazing plants and animals. Let's make our own pond.
Great idea. Let's start our pond by adding rocks. Tap on the book if you want to hear about the things you can add to the pond.
Click on the things in the tray to hear about them. When you are ready to place things in the pond, tap the book again to close it. Drag the rock into the pond. Great! Now there's lots of places for the animals to live and hide. Let's keep going.
Underwater plants. Floating plants.
Ooh! Now we get to pick a plant to add.
You can always use my book to hear more information. Lily pads are floating. These floating lily pads have stems that go all the way to the bottom of the pond. These underwater plants make good hiding places for small pond animals.
Floating plants make good places to hide. Let's look around. Ponds need lots of different plants and animals to stay healthy. Let's pick one and see what happens.
Worm, snail. Pond snails are like the ones on land, but they can live underwater. Pond worms help keep a pond clean and healthy by eating small bits in the water.
Snails have shells to protect them. I wonder what other creatures have shells.
I noticed that each time we chew something, the pond changes. Tadpoles will grow and change to become frogs. These kinds of beetles eat things like insects, tadpoles, and small fish.
Wow! I wonder how many tadpoles are here. Count how many you see.
Scavenger beetle larva, dragonfly larva. This larva will grow up to be a dragonfly that flies around the pond's surface. This larva will grow into a scavenger beetle and will be a fast swimmer.
These larvae become bright, colorful dragonflies when they grow up. They look so different as babies. This frog is the grown-up of the tadpole we added.
I noticed that tadpole is changing and growing legs. It's becoming a frog. What do you notice?
Now we're near the pond's surface. wonder how the animals will be different here.
Pumpkin seed sunfish. red-spotted newt. The pattern on the pumpkin seed fish helps it hide because it looks like sunlight on the pond. Newts live in the water and on land, like frogs. Pumpkin seed fish swim at the top and the bottom of the pond to find food.
These little fish have lots of fun colors. What do you notice about the colors of the animals in the pond?
Red-spotted newt, spotted bass. Spotted bass get their name from the rows of spots on their bellies. Newts eat lots of things in the pond, including insects and worms.
Look carefully to spot the differences between the pond creatures. What do you notice about the animal sizes?
Red-spotted newt, yellow bullhead catfish. Catfish use their whiskers to find food at the bottom of the pond. Newts live in the water and on land, like frogs. Catfish eat lots of different foods.
This fish is called a catfish because it has feelers on its face that look like cat whiskers.